I have painted this Bridge of Sigh by first taking a vanishing point here at the center and then draw lines in up and down directions. To start this painting, what I did, I drew a horizontal line that would be my horizon. Okay, then at about this place I put a cross. This would be my vanishing point. Can you see it here? This would be my vanishing point. From this point I made a diagonal line towards my left side on the upper side and one towards the same side and on the lower side. This would be my one side. Okay, on the left side also mark a line wherever you want your buildings to be. Okay, and at the lower side also. Okay, after this I made few more lines, all going to outer corner. You can make as many lines you want depending on how many floors in the building you want. Okay, here also do the same. I am doing just to show you, otherwise use a scale to draw these lines. Okay, you can draw these lines on what do you call it, butter paper or tracing paper. Then you can put that tracing paper on your canvas and trace those lines onto the canvas. Okay, now draw perpendicular lines wherever you want. This is your horizon. Okay, and on that you are putting lines. For the back building, as the buildings at the back will be far away from us, that means they will be small to look at and thin, tightly placed together. Put as many as lines you want the buildings to be. As many as lines, as many as buildings. That's simple. Okay, here also I am showing you rough sketch. Okay, buildings at the front will have this gap will be more. Okay, now at this point you can see the point here. Here I have drawn an arc, okay, and a horizontal line there and one more horizontal line parallel to that. Again another arc to show the base of that gate. Okay, so it will come between these two lines. Can you see it? Then at the bottom here we will make a bridge. Again a small arc, and above that again an arc parallel to the lower one. Okay, that would be our bridge here. Okay, because we are looking from a distance, so that bridge would be smaller. Okay, that bridge would come, that bridge would come here. I have lost my pencil, I think. that bridge would come here. So I can make it just to show you. That bridge would come on the horizon line. Okay? Here. Can you see it? Here. It has come here. And the bottom one is here. So this bridge would stop here and this would stop here. Okay? Above the bridge there would be sky here, and above this arc here and here there would be sky, and we would put the same color as sky at the bottom. But in addition to that, what would we do? To show that this is water, we'll have to draw shadows. Okay? So in the corners of where we are showing water will be darker, color would be darker, and here we put, in this area we would put the same color as blue of sky. And here we will try to put building colors. As we are drawing buildings, painting buildings, we will put, if for example if I am making this building, okay, I am putting yellow ochre plus Van Dyke brown plus white in this building. I'll put the same color. I'll put the same color here also. Okay? So each building has different colors, and those colors will be shown here also. Okay? And to show that this is water, and that too here it will be green because of lichen. So I will use here sap green plus phthalo green. That would make a brilliant, nice turquoise color, dark turquoise, and that would show lichen plus shadows of building. Here also I'll use the same method. If I am doing this building in white plus slight amount of red, I will put the same mixture here also. So that would give me a nice effect. Okay? So after this we will block colors. Whatever color I want in these buildings, I will block them with acrylic paint. That would make this painting easier to do. Otherwise, you can, if you want to, you can start with the oil paints still. Okay? Can you see it here? I have drawn that bridge, and I have used yellow ochre, dark yellow ochre. I have not added white on that to show that this bridge is old and yellow because of time. Here in these buildings I have used red, white, orange, yellow, brown, all in small portion with white. So here I have used white and red, small amount of white and equal amount of red. Here I have used more whiter than red. Here I have added orange to the mixture. Again here I have used orange and yellow ochre. Here I have used orange and white in 2:1 ratio. Then again here pure red. Here I have used slight amount of white, a slight amount of red and orange in white. Then again here cadmium yellow plus white plus slight amount of yellow ochre. Here I have used red, yellow ochre. So there are different colors showing because of the mixing of basic colors. Here you can see, here I have used orange plus yellow ochre. Here I have used orange, yellow ochre, brown, red and white in different proportion. You can see different hues here, although mixture is same, white, red, yellow and brown, but proportion is different. So to show that these buildings are old, and you can't show the true color of whitewash, so but you can try to make the same color. Here what I have done to show slabs of stones, first I did mix blue ultramarine blue and white and slight amount of I think brown, and mix them together. Blue was more, so it was slightly bluish, grayish, whitish effect. Then I traced those lines which I made from vanishing point. First I traced those lines here and there, then I put perpendicular lines over those lines, and then again I took small amount of white and added to the previous mixture, and then separately put on the square and rectangles made by those crisscross lines. Somewhere I have used yellow ochre, mauve, red and blue and white to show that the aging effect on these slabs. Here I have shown windows. So, shadowy area to show that these are inside. Light is falling from this side, so inside sill is also showing. Okay. Here I have used slight amount of yellow ochre plus slight amount of white, and just this is not a true color, but just wash. I tried to show with black color the shadows and these doors. Here also there is a balcony and doors. Buildings are going separately, and as they are going backward they are getting smaller. I have zoomed it in so that you can see the slabs. Can you see here? First I made rectangles. How I did this? By tracing these lines with dark color, then putting perpendicular line over that, and I made this dark color with what? Ultramarine blue, slight amount of brown and white. So the squares are darker than the inside color. Inside color, what did I do to make inside color? I mixed more amount of white on the basic grey color. Here and there I have changed the colors. Here and there I have changed the colors. Here you can see yellow ochre, mauve, purple. Okay. Shadow is showing on the doors of this building. I have used Van Dyke brown to show the lower side of bridge. Here I made that arc, you remember, and above that I have used cadmium yellow and white, then cadmium yellow, white and orange and brown to make this color. These colors are made from same combination, Van Dyke brown, orange, red, yellow, cadmium brown, but can you see the effect? It is different as these colors are added in different proportion. to make light color or dark color or slightly darker color than this. Here I have used phthalo green plus sap green. Phthalo green is nothing but viridian green hue or viridian green. You can use the same color because phthalo green is difficult to find. Few shops are having this color. So instead of wasting time in finding these color, just use viridian green. I have traced these buildings here also, then I put phthalo green and sap green over this, and isn't the effect great? Now we will start with oil painting. That means painting is still started, has already started. I have shown the shadow of this bridge here, and it is going like this into the water, and its shadow is here, see, and there they are going downwards, so it's showing a quite good effect. See, for the windows, to show the inside of windows, as you can't see because there is no light inside, we are outside, so I have used black color here, and for that lighter effect of shadow I have used grey. This is the only place where I have used black color, otherwise I have not touched the black color in the whole building. In the for the windows and this thing, doors, I have used black color, otherwise there was no need to use black color. For that sky I have used cobalt blue, and here cobalt blue plus white. Here if needed then only I will put cobalt blue, otherwise this is also looking great. You can leave this painting now. Can you see here, as water is throughout the year, water is here, so lichen effect I have given with sap green, phthalo green plus slight amount of ultramarine blue. Here also I have tried to put greenish effect to show that these buildings are affected by lichen. You can leave this. Acha, here this is still going on. I'll put black here in all the windows and doors. If there is light inside one of the windows, then it will be yellowish, orangish yellow. I'll use cadmium yellow and orange, cadmium orange, to give that effect of light bulb or something. You can leave this like this only, or to give it more realistic effect you can put oil paints over this.